The main story which is being told in this year's Energy Outlook is about the energy transition which is taking place and is likely to continue to take place over the next 20 years. On the demand side, there's a shift in the pattern of demand away from the conventional markets of old, the US and Europe, to fast-growing Asian markets, where the story there is one of increasing prosperity, this development of a burgeoning middle class demanding more energy, which drives up global energy demand in the future. On the supply side, the story is one of continuing shift in the fuel mix towards lower carbon fuels 20 years. And natural gas grows far more quickly than either coal or oil. We're seeing continued electrification of the world, with almost 2/3 of the growth in energy over the next 20 years going into the power sector to produce electricity. In terms of carbon emissions, the combination of slower growth in global energy overall and a shift in the fuel mix means the projected growth in carbon emissions over the next 20 years is far slower than in the past, around So we expect oil demand to continue to grow throughout the next 20 years, driven by increasing transport demand, particularly in those fast-growing Asian economies. But the pace at which oil demand is likely to grow is likely to slow over time as we see increasing fuel efficiency. So one question we ask in the Energy Outlook is how quickly will electric vehicles penetrate the energy system? Our best guess is from about 1 million vehicles today to something closer to 100 million vehicles by 2030.